Hey guys, what if your next road trip across America didn't need gas, didn't need noisy engines, and could literally charge itself from the sun while you drive across the country? Imagine a luxury home on wheels that feels more like a 5-star apartment than a traditional RV. Today, we're looking at something truly futuristic. The Scania Motorhome 2027. Concept, welcome back to NextLux Reviews USA. If you're into luxury futuristic vehicles and next-generation travel tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and join the family, because on this channel, we explore some of the most incredible vehicles being imagined for the future. Alright guys, let's dive in. The first thing you notice about this motorhome is just how massive and futuristic it looks. This isn't your typical RV that you see driving through campgrounds. This thing looks like a luxury tour bus mixed with a high-end smart home. The design is built on the engineering experience of Scania, a company famous for building powerful trucks and premium transport vehicles all over the world. When you look at the exterior design, the body has a very clean and futuristic style. The entire motorhome has smooth curves and a glossy white finish that gives it a premium luxury vibe. The windows are large and slightly tinted, giving passengers an amazing panoramic view while also maintaining privacy inside. Let's talk about the front look first, because honestly, this is where the motorhome really stands out. The front section is bold and powerful. You can clearly see the signature Scania grille design, but it's modernized with chrome details and integrated LED lighting. The headlights are sharp and futuristic, stretching across the front with bright LED strips that give it a very high-tech appearance. Especially at night, the windshield is massive, almost like a panoramic glass wall. This gives the driver incredible visibility when traveling through highways, mountains, or coastal roads across the US, Canada, or the UK countryside. The mirrors are large and aerodynamic, designed to reduce wind resistance while still giving the driver full awareness of everything happening around the vehicle. Moving along the side of the motor, you start to realize just how big and luxurious this vehicle really is. The long body stretches out with multiple windows across 2 levels, giving it almost a double-deck living space feeling. The paint finish looks extremely premium, and the panel lines are clean and minimal, which makes the entire motorhome feel like one solid, futuristic structure. Another thing that stands out are the wheels. The motorhome sits on large, heavy-duty chrome wheels designed for stability and comfort during long-distance travel. Because this is such a large vehicle, it uses a multi-axle setup that improves balance and road control. This makes it perfect for long highway drives across North America, where stability and comfort really matter. The suspension system is designed for smooth travel, meaning passengers inside will barely feel bumps on the road. Even if you're driving across rough terrain or long interstates, the ride quality is expected to feel extremely smooth. Now, let's move toward the rear of the motorhome. The back of the motorhome continues the same futuristic theme. Instead of a traditional RV-style back, this design feels much more like a luxury electric vehicle. The rear lights stretch across the width of the vehicle, with a modern LED light bar that looks incredible at night. There are also smart storage compartments integrated into the lower rear section, perfect for carrying travel gear, outdoor equipment, or even electric bikes. But the real magic of this motorhome begins when you step inside. The interior of the Scania Motorhome 2027 concept feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The designers focused heavily on comfort, open space, and modern technology. As soon as you walk inside, you're greeted by a spacious living area with soft lighting, premium materials, and large windows that fill the entire space with natural light. The living area is designed for relaxation during long journeys. There are large, comfortable sofas arranged around a central smart table, creating a perfect social space where family or friends can sit, talk, eat, or even watch movies. A large smart TV screen is mounted on the wall, and the entire entertainment system is connected to a smart control panel that manages lighting, temperature, and multimedia features. Next to the living area, you'll find a beautifully designed kitchen space. This is not a small RV kitchen. This feels like a real modern home kitchen. It includes a built-in electric stove, a compact smart oven, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. The countertops have a sleek modern design, and the lighting underneath the cabinets gives the whole kitchen a very premium feel. For travelers who love long road trips across the US or Canada, having a proper kitchen inside your motorhome makes a huge difference. You can cook meals anywhere you stop, whether you're parked near a mountain lake or camping along the coast. Moving further inside the motorhome, you'll find the washroom area. The bathroom is designed with a modern hotel-style layout. There's a glass shower cabin, a sleek sink with mirror lighting, and a compact toilet system designed specifically for motorhome travel. The materials used inside give it a very clean and luxury feel, almost like a small spa on wheels. And then we reach one of the most important parts of any the bedroom. The bedroom area is designed for comfort and privacy. A large queen-size bed sits in the center, surrounded by soft lighting and storage compartments. The bed faces a smart screen so passengers can watch movies or relax after a long day of travel. The windows around the bedroom give incredible views when parked in scenic locations, making the entire experience feel peaceful and relaxing. Now, let's talk about the technology and performance behind this. Futuristic motorhome. The Scania Motorhome concept is designed to be fully electric. Instead of relying on traditional diesel engines, like most RVs, this vehicle runs on a powerful electric motor system powered by large battery packs. This means it produces zero emissions while driving, making it much more environmentally friendly. One of the most exciting features is the solar charging system. The roof of the motorhome is designed with integrated solar panels that capture sunlight throughout the day. These panels help recharge the battery system while the vehicle is parked, or even while driving in sunny conditions. This allows travelers to extend their range without constantly needing charging stations. For long road trips across large countries like the United States or Canada, this kind of technology could be a game changer. The electric motor also means the driving experience will be much quieter compared to traditional RVs. Instead of a loud diesel engine, you get smooth and silent acceleration, which makes long drives far more relaxing. In terms of performance, a vehicle like this could easily deliver strong torque and smooth highway cruising speeds. Electric motors are known for instant power delivery, so even a large motorhome like this can move confidently on highways and steep roads. Now, let's talk about price. Because vehicles like this are definitely not cheap, since this is a concept design and a luxury electric motorhome, the expected price could land somewhere between $400,000 and $700,000, depending on final production features, customization options, and battery capacity. That places it in the premium motorhome category, competing with some of the most luxurious RVs in the world. But when you consider the technology, the electric drivetrain, the solar power system, and the luxury living space inside, it starts to make sense why vehicles like this are becoming the future of long-distance travel. Imagine starting a road trip from California, driving through the Rocky Mountains, then heading all the way to Canada, while living inside a fully electric luxury home on wheels. That's exactly the kind of future this motorhome represents. So overall, the Scania Motorhome 2027 concept shows what the next generation of RV travel could look like. A combination of luxury living space, advanced electric performance, and sustainable energy through solar power. It's bold, futuristic, and designed for people who want freedom to travel anywhere while still enjoying the comfort of home. And honestly, guys, if vehicles like this become more common in the next few years, road trips might never be the same again. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more futuristic vehicles like this one, make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews USA and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and until the next review, keep exploring, keep dreaming big, and I'll see you in the next one.